Hi friends, today in front of you I am Jayati from TTWR JC Girls Ichoda Adilabad and I am pursuing my 11th standard. Today I am going to tell you the subject is botany, and before going to start my class I am going to tell you an interesting topic, and that too we are going to learn my subject in short and funny way. And before going to start my class I would like to ask you some questions. So have a look on the slide. So friends, what you are observing here? Yes, those are plants. And what else? Yes, very good. These are some leaves and flowers, fruits and stem, right? So, the flowering plants are known as angiosperms. Friends, I think you may got what is my topic is about. Right. So, my topic is angiosperms. So, angiosperms are mainly classified into three families. First one is Fabaceae, and the second one is Solanaceae, and the third one is Liliaceae. So today we are going to discussing about this Fabaceae family. So already have said you that the flowering plants are known as angiosperms, right? So Fabaceae is also known as bean family, and all the pulses are comes under this Fabaceae family. For examples, Dolichos lablab and Arachis hypogea, Glycine max and Deris indica and Dolichos lablab. And the Dolichos lablab general we call it as bean, and Arachis hypogea, the common name is groundnut, and Deris indica. Already we know that it is a Kanuga tree. Next, so Fabaceae family. So friends, I will show you. See, it is a pod, means the seed will be enclosed between two layers. So it is known as pod. See here, it is a pod. And can you guess friends, what is it? Yes, it is a Dolichos lablab. The common name is bean. And next, it has some leaf tendrils, right? So it helps to the plant. It will help the plant to climbing purpose. And next, it has flowers, right? So it has one standard petal, two keel petals, and two wing petals. So next, the root system in this Fabaceae family is top root system. So friends, do you know Arachis hypogea? Yes, the common name of Arachis hypogea is, next, nodular roots are present in Arachis hypogea, which are consist of rhizobium bacteria. Already you know that rhizobium bacteria, right? The rhizobium bacteria is convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate, and it will use that nitrate, and the rhizobium bacteria will be helpful for soil fertility, and the rhizobia bacteria is a friend of farmer also. Next, the pollination in this family is entomophilos, and it is a cross pollination, that is pollination takes place through insects, and geographic indehiscent in Arachis hypogea. The next we are going to entering into the economic importance of Fabaceae family. For examples, pulses like red gram, green gram, black gram, etc. So these are the pulses. So I think you have understood that. I will repeat once again. So the pollination in this family is entomophilous, means cross pollinations. The pollination takes place through insects. And next, the geographic indehiscent in Arachis hypogea, means the fruits will be enclosed. Already I have said you that the fruits will be enclosed between two layers. They unopened, means they are indehiscent fruits. Next, the economic importance of Fabaceae family. For examples, pulses like red gram, green gram and black gram, etc. So some are the examples here. See, these are the pulses. So these are the examples, pulses like red gram, green gram and black gram. So Next, actually we consume dal every day at our Gurukulam, which is a protein food, right? So the protein food is provided by our Praveen Kumar sir. He is doing many things for us, and he is also providing many healthy foods for us, and actually we consuming dal, right? So the dal is very rich in proteins. And next one is the edible oil is extracted from the Arachis hypogea. So already you know that Arachis hypogea, the common name of Arachis hypogea is groundnut, which are used in our Indian cooking for tadka. Next, many plants which belongs to this family are consumed as vegetables like Dolichos lablab. So generally we call it as bean, right? Bean. So the common name is bean, and we cut the pods of this bean, and we use for cooking. We use it for eating also. Next, so many plants we are using them as vegetables. And next, menti. You know the menti? Yes, menti is a very tasty food, and like we add menti to enhance the taste of the curry. For example, if you take the tomato curry, we add the menti, right? So why we are adding the menti to the curry? Yes, because of to enhance the taste of the curry, right? Yes, so we are using the this Fabaceae family was very helpful to us. Like we are getting many healthy foods. And next, we have many economic importance of this Fabaceae family. And next one is, do you know the Arachis hypogea? Yes, the common name of Arachis hypogea is groundnut. And groundnut means, do you know the nodular root of this groundnut? Yes, so the rhizobium bacteria is present in these nodular roots, and it fixes the atmospheric nitrogen in it, and it will use that. Next, and it will use as to increase the soil fertility, and we can say that the nodular roots are friend of the farmer also. Next, we will take one more example, that is Dolichos lablab. Means commonly we call it as a bean. The pods of beans are cut into pieces and we cooked, right? So already I have said this point. Next, the seeds of fenugreek, that is menthulu, are used for treating the debates, right? Next, so like this we have many economic importance of this Fabaceae family. Next, commercially important products are obtained from this family are blue dye. The scientific name of this blue dye is Indigofera tinctoria. And next one is yellow dye. Next, commonly called as a flame of the forest. Next, Therais indica is used in medicines, right? So see how the Fabaceae family was useful for us. It will use us for commercially, and next medicines, and we are using it as vegetables, right? So and many pulses also we are using. Next, the pulses is used as food also. Next, so today we are discussing about many new things, right? So I think you have understood my class. And next, let us take one more time, we are recalling that topic. So next, can you say the common name of groundnut? Yes, it is Arachis hypogea. Next, we have many uses of this Fabaceae family, and mainly the nodular roots are very helpful for the farmers, and we have many uses of this Fabaceae family. So please maintain to grow these all pulses and use them. And next, Tephrosia are used as a green manure to increase the fertility of the land. So see how many uses are there with this Fabaceae family. We have many uses of this Fabaceae family. So I think you have understood my class. So I am very thankful to our secretary sir, and next our principal sir, Lakshmi Kantarao garu, and vice principal ma'am, and my subject teacher Jyoti ma'am. Really very thanks for encouraging me like this. Thank you very much.